Welcome back to my channel. Today I come with a new amazing video. In this video I'll describe you a new TRX mining website. This website provide you a huge opportunity to earn a more and more TRX. How you can earn a more and more TRX by using this website, I give you a complete review. Please watch this video complete, so I give you a complete explanation about this web, and I also explain you how to deposit, how to recharge, and how to you make a huge time by using your referral links. And let's start the video. Before starting the video, I describe you, please like this video and also subscribe the channel, and I will provide you a link in the description. You can check out this, and after clicking on the link you can reach on the registration page of trx.cab website. Here you can see the domain of this website is trx.cab. Here friends, you can see the registration steps of this website is very simple. First, I explain you the password is stored in a decentralized way and cannot be retrieved after it is lost. Please remember your password. And friends, the company manager asking you the password cannot forget it, because this website store the password decentralized, and please make sure that your password rememberable easy. And first you can put your number here, second put your login password here, and put your security password. You can put the both login password and security part same, because it provides you opportunity to learn both and remember easily. Friends, I fill all information and click on sign up portions. This is the captcha of this website. I feel like this 5815, such as my now captcha 5815 is now a captcha after filling all the upper steps of this website, and after I am putting this and I click on a sign up. This is the my invitation link. You cannot change it, because if you try to change you cannot get a registration reward of this website. Friends, I click on a sign up option and put here my all information here, and friends, you can see that I click on a sign up, and friends, you can see that I successfully entered into the website, and you can see that new 7-day promotion account wealth management item 1.5% latest note of this website is that new 15-day promotion account wealth management program 1.8%, new 7-day promotion account wealth management items 1.5%, new 15 days promotion account wealth management program 1.8%, new 7-day promotion account wealth management item 1.5%, new 15-day promotion account wealth management program 1.8%. And in the down friends, you can see at www.trx.com, trx.cab currently has more than 10 self-built mines and cooperative mines around the world, the world's leading one-stop blockchain computing power ecosystem. trx.cab North American mining integrates 19th century and regions around the world with more than 2 million mine machine. Tron miner income in December 2020 is close to 1 billion USA dollar. And in the down you can see that a professional mining integrated company, the only official link is that company legal white paper is that, and please click on the link to contract the official staff, Telegram customer services and WhatsApp Telegram subscription number. And in the down you can see that the basic account of this interested is debited every day and will not accumulate. Please log in and receive TRX every day. Please protect your account and password, and do not tell a stranger about your account. New promotion account wealth management item 10% interest, registration reward 5888 TRX. Please look for the only website www.trx.com. Join our TRX mining platform and become the next multimillionaire. The mining minimum deposit is 5 TRX to 2 lakh approximately, with 3% withdrawal every day. Minimum is 3% withdrawal is day, and maximum of this website withdrawal is 10%. And in the down, the higher the deposit, the higher the return of amount. This is a long-term stable income recommended recharge to get rich rewards. Every time you top up level 1 you can get 10% commission. When your level 2 is deposit you can get 5%, and if level 3 deposit you can get 2%. And this is the information I already described. I close this portion, and friends, first I refresh this page to show you my total balance I given has a reward of this website. And friends, you can see that my registration reward of this website successfully added, and this is the 58 the 188 TRX, which is approximately to the $362.16. And friends, you can see there are many parts of websites. I will review one by one. Please watch the video complete. Here friends, you can see that three parts. First is notification option. I click on a notification. This is the latest announcement. I already friends described you about the latest announcement, and I go back. And friends, this is the customer service option. Second, you can join him on the Telegram and get your question answer urgent. It give you answer at any time in day. And friends, this is the change of language. You can change your website language in English, Indonesian, Korean, German, and other languages. And in the down friends, you can see a deposit, withdrawal, share, team, app, and logout option. The deposit and withdrawal option I describe you at the end of the video, because these two parts are very necessary to show you. And now I am going to describe you about share option. This portion is very necessary. You want to make a huge team and you want to make a money without any depositing in this website. You need to join this website program. You need to copy link and share your friends, and friends invest in the website by using your link. You can get automatically reward in your account. And friends, come back and you can see your team. By clicking on the team, you can see that I have no team in my levels. You can check your levels team. This website provide you a reward at level 3, and this is the app option. You can download the app of this websites. And friends, this is the logout option. You can want to log out this website, you can click on. And friends, this is are the two wallets option: promotion account and wallet account. Friends, wallet account are those accounts in which your trading income are added, and promotion account are those accounts in which your daily friends and your refers income. And in the down you can see a join to be a Tron millionaire. Use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all users get the most TRX revenue. And friends, in the down you can see a platform data display is that and other they are the membership of this website is that. And about us, we are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in blockchain transactions with a small amount of capital and obtain stable income like insurance. And friends, these are the global partner of this website, and you can see that here all the global partners of this website, and you can check this. Friends, I am going to describe you the trading portion of this website, and I click on a trading portion. And friends, you can see that this website provide you a 7% cloud mining is working. And if you want to check your daily profit of this website, you can click on a trading profit 24 settles view all. I click on a view all to show you I have no TRX reward because I joined this website now in these days, and I cannot get this reward. I go back to the website, and this is the share option. Friends, you can see that this is the invest option. You can double your Tron by investing in this package. This package has 7 days, 15 days, and 180 days, and daily rate is 1.5, 1.8, and 10%. And friends, these are very necessary to show you, and this is the share option, but I already describe you. And friends, this is the very necessary to make your team huge, and I click on a share options. And friends, here you can see that I have a total balance is that, and you can see that this portion is very necessary. TRX deposit quantity, recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal functions. And in the down friends, you can see a team, profit list, transfer to basic, change password, change security password, share, and notifications, app, and logout options. And if you want to deposit in this website, I click on a deposit option to show you how to deposit in this website. And friends, here you can see that there are two parts of this website: transfer to basic account, transfer to promotion account. Investment is divided into two modes: recharge to the basic account and receive income according to Singapore time zone. Recharge into the promotion account, you can receive the income according to different cycle, return the principal and income upon maturity. Viewpoint notes: before investing, please choose a basic account or an promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is a very critical issue. If you want to make money by trading, you can need to invest in this website part or transfer to basic. And if you need to earn money by through your reference, you need and to double your account TRX you need to deposit in a promotion account. But I want to deposit in a transfer to basic account. I click on a transfer to basic account, and you can see that website loaded my TRX address here. I click on a copy address to copy this. And before investing in this website, please read this. Please do not recharge other non-TRX, as it will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging. If it has not arrived for a long time, please refresh this page. Minimum 5 TRX investment. And friends, I copy this link and I go back to my trust wallet to show you how to deposit in this website. And friends, here you can see that I have a 100 TRX, and now I'm going to deposit in this website. I click on a send option to, and here I paste my link and click on 100 TRX. And friends, after putting this, I click on a continue option, and friends, you can see that I have a no TRX to pay the fee of this website, and I go back to change this currency. And friends, now you can see that I have a 103 TRX, and I click on a Tron, and I click on a send, and I paste this link here, and I click on 100 TRX. And after putting this, I click on a continue option, and friends, I click on a confirm to send 100 TRX as a deposit amount to show you how to invest in this website. And friends, you can see that my transaction are in appended. I open this, you can see that this status of this website is in pending, and I wait for my transaction sended successfully. And friends, you can see that my complete transaction status is completed, and I go back to the website and click on a recharge completed to show you how to deposit in this website. But I already sent him the full 100 TRX, and my remaining task is to click on a recharge completed. And friends, you can see that I click on a recharge completed, and I wait for my TRX deposited successfully or not. I refresh here again and again to show you my TRX deposited or not. This website has very instant withdrawal and very instant deposit. You can see that I refresh here and I receive a 100 TRX in my account. And friends, you need to deposit a small amount of TRX to activate this account. And if you want to withdraw money from this website, click on a withdrawal functions. I click on a withdrawal, and friends, you can see that my daily withdrawal limit is 3 TRX. You can increase this limit by depositing more and more TRX in this website. First, you need to put the TRX, and your daily limit is here. First, I put this limit here, and such as my daily limit is 3 TRX, and I put my TRX address here. I go to my trust wallet account to copy my TRX address here. And friends, I go back to the website. Here I put my address here, and I wait for my transaction received or successfully submitted successfully. First I clear these information, and I wait for my 3 TRX received in my account or not. Therefore I go back to the TRX wallet, trust wallet, and I wait for amount received or not. And friends, you can see that I receive a 3 TRX from the website, and I show you the notification of this website. And I hope friends you like this video and also subscribe this channel. And friends, you need to know about the white paper of this websites. I click on the white paper to show the some information of this white papers. Therefore I click on a white paper to show you about some needs of white paper: TRX cap, white paper, NFT plus, metaverse plus DeFi. And you can read all the information about this website. I will also provide a link in the description, you can check it. And if you want to invest in this website, please read first this white paper complete, so you can understand the more and more information about the website. Friends, I hope you like this video and also subscribe the channel. Take care, goodbye.